Welcome back, Crammers, to question 6. Mikhail has 1,200 grams of cake mixture. He's going to make 3 cakes, A, B, and C. 4/15ths of the weight of the cake will be used to make cake A. The rest of the cake mixture will be used to make cake B, given that the ratio of B to C is 3 to 8. Work out the weight of the cake mixture used in each of cake A, B, and C. So actually, for A, it's already given that 4/15ths of the total weight is given. So 1,200 times 4 over 15 gives us cake A. We can actually find this out using our calculator. 1,200 times 4 over 15 gives us 320 grams. 320 grams. 320 grams. Now that we actually have cake A, it says here that the rest of the cake mixture will be used to make cake B and C. So that means cake A is made first. So we can actually remove this value from the total value. So 1,200 minus 320 will give the rest of the cake batter. So 1,200 minus 320 gives us 880. So this is what we're left with for cake B and C. The rest of the cake used to make cake B and C goes to the ratio of 3:8. Now, when dealing with ratios, we simply find the total. So 3 plus 8 is equal to 11. Then we simply divide by 11 and multiply it by the ratio we want. So for cake B, it's actually 880 divided by 11 times 3, since it's given here as 3. And then for cake C, it's given to us as 880 divided by 11 times 8. Now we can use our calculator to find the final answers. 880 divided by 11 is 80 times 3. Oops, 3. That's 240 for C. 240 for B. 240. And then we can use this again. So 880 divided by 11 multiplied by 8 gives us 640 grams. Now, just to make sure that our calculations were correct, we can actually add all of them up and they should equal to 1,200. So 320 plus 240 plus 640 should equal 1,200. And we can use a calculator to check this. 640 plus 240 plus 320 gives us 1,200. Yes, we are correct. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.